Here's the technique for the French rope braid. Okay, you take a section of hair, split it into 2 sections, and you twist it one direction. So I'm twisting it to the right. Twist this one to the right. Take this one and cross it over to the left. Do one more twist and then hold it. And this is the tricky part. Tricky part for me is holding this in place while adding hair. So wetting it helps a lot. But when you add hair, you're gonna come in from the right side and just take that extra hair and you're gonna go under. I go under both of them and I bring it outside from the outside and I add it in to this. So when I add hair on the right side, I add it to my left strand. Then I'm gonna go from the left side. I'm gonna add hair from the left side. I'm gonna take it under this one, this strand, and I'm going to add it to the right side. I'm gonna twist it in. So, twist it, twist both strands once you've added the hair, and then cross over. See, I have hair that's coming up. Just pat that down. Okay. Then I cross it over. And then you start again. So, twist and add hair. So coming in from the right, we're gonna add hair. Take that extra hair, we're gonna go under both of these strands and we're gonna add it to this left side. And twist. And then go from this side, the left side, add in hair to the right strand. Okay. And then cross over. And then that's what you do all the way down. Tricky part is just keeping those twists in place the whole time. Add in hair from the right into the left strand. Add in hair from the left side to the right side. Twist, twist, and then cross over. And then you just continue a normal rope braid. Twist, cross over.